And this is our underwater volcano show. Stay there, don't go anywhere. I'm just telling you, don't go anywhere. It looks like lava. So guys, this is the underwater volcano
The
aquarium. And me and my mom are making it right now, so don't go anywhere.
You're gonna put it on the back row.
Yep.
Stick it on the outside
Yeah. No. Don't go anywhere.
with the Velcro strip that came in the box.
Wait a second. Don't go anywhere. I'm trying to do it. Wait.
On the inside, and we're gonna attach it to the back of the aquarium.
Yeah, that's right.
Make sure it's secure.
Yeah. What my mom
Struggling.
said.
I'm struggling. I'm struggling.
He's struggling.
I'm struggling.
Already got it. Okay. Put it in. Slide it.
So it's in the back of the aquarium.
Now we need the water. What do you think's gonna happen, guys? It floats. Right now I'm sitting on a table.
Let's see. I'm gonna go on the camera and do this. I'm gonna cover it. I'm about 3/4 of the way.
Yeah. Hurry up, it's getting ready to blow. Getting ready to blow. Oh, it's really going red down there. Don't you guys see that? Oh, the floor is lava. The floor is really lava. Fizzball, I think the fizzball is getting ready to blow.
It's a little slow.
Yeah. Just checking. Oh, there's bubbles sticking to our background. There's bubbles sticking to our
Think we
background.
can pour some on the inside? Let's see.
Oh, that really.
I don't know. So Nafara, did you know that underwater volcanoes are also known as something else?
What?
What are they called?
Submarine volcano.
Yep. And there are about 1 million volcanoes underwater, but over 5,000 of them are active.
Yeah.
So our volcano is a little active. It's slow, but we see bubbles.
Yeah, so that. Oh, I just saw a big one.
Yeah.
It's getting ready to blow, guys. Velcro papers.
Organisms such as red-tipped tapeworms, white crabs, special shrimp, and ghost fish make up the ecosystem around active submarine volcanoes.
Which is that one right there?
So can you picture red-tipped tapeworms, white crabs, and little shrimp, ghost fish living around the volcano?
Down there.
Did you know since submarine volcanoes are underwater, the water cools the lava instantly, which causes an outer surface of flowing lava to become glass.
I knew that.
Let's shake it up a bit. Let's shake it up a little bit. More bubbles?
Yeah, more bubbles. I'm ready for a big one.
Guys, this can last a couple minutes. Submarine volcanoes can build up over time to reach the ocean's surface, growing into islands. Yeah, like Anguilla.
Yeah.
But Anguilla was not made from an underwater volcano. But an island is like Anguilla. Anguilla is an island.
Yeah.
Hawaii is made up of islands that are formed by submarine volcanoes.
Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's cool. I'm gonna put my... Guys, look, my hand's inside.
If it was a real volcano, your hand would not be inside. You wouldn't even be around.
Yeah.
Can you shake it up a bit?
From the inside? Yeah.
Shake up the volcano a bit. See?
It's happening. Oh, I am...
Submarine volcanoes have hydrothermal vents that release hydrogen sulfide, water, and other minerals. This causes an ecosystem of organisms that convert energy from chemicals like sulfur, magnesium, and calcium. Where do you get your energy from?
Food.
Yep. Okay, that's enough. Let's see if it does it on its own. Okay, this is a little slow. I thought it would have been a big eruption, but no. It can take up to 5 minutes. The fizz ball is actually reacting with the water, but it's hard to see it. The bubbles.
I can see inside. I can see inside water.
And then the color at the bottom is changing to the color of the dye on the fizz ball.
Wait, look at what my hand's doing to it.
I see.
My hand's reacting with it. What was that? Oh, what is my hand? It's beginning to be softer. I'm going to shake up the volcano a little. It is really bubbling.
Let's add some water to it instead.
Yeah. Oh, it's filling. Oh. Okay.
Maybe we were supposed to add the water for us and then put the volcano inside.
That's how
We did see someone else do it that way, but we wanted to reduce the mess, so.
It's not working. It's like the other.
What do you know about an underwater volcano?
Underwater volcanoes interact with the water, but over 5 million, some are active. Ours is a little active. We have to shake it up, but we're not shaking it up right now because it's almost erupting. I think I can see some bubbles coming up.
Did you know that a large portion of submarine volcanoes are located in an area of the Pacific Ocean known as the mid-ocean ridges? The mid-ocean ridge is an underwater volcanic mountain range that is longer than 30,000 miles.
I was just touching the bubbles. They're stuck to the wall.
Did you know that eruptions from the underwater volcanoes account for 75% of the lava released from the Earth's core each year?
Yeah, we do. Well, most of us.
We'll come back later and check it out.
No, why are we leaving?
No, we're not leaving. It's just going to take a while.
I'm just gonna sit here. I'm just looking on the inside. Okay.
Let's pull it back some. What's awesome is we can reuse this. So I think we're going to try it with our own fizz balls, maybe a bigger ball, and see what it does.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.